Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add stickers in Snapseed application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open the Snapseed application and tap on the plus icon on the middle of the screen. Click on open from device to choose a picture from your device's camera roll. You can also go ahead and pick the camera option and take an image right from your device's camera right away. Now go ahead and add an image of your choice and go to the tools option at the bottom of the screen. Adding stickers directly in Snapseed is not a feature provided by the app. However, you can add emojis or similar graphics as stickers by using the double exposure tool to overlay images. Go ahead and pick the double exposure option at the very bottom of the screen. Now once you select double exposure, tap on the little image icon with a plus icon in it at the bottom left corner. Now, choose an image or emoji from your gallery you'd like to use as a sticker. Once you select an emoji, go ahead and place it on your desired location. Now, tap the opacity button at the bottom and increase or decrease the opacity of your sticker or emoji. Once you do that, you can apply the changes by tapping on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. If you want, you can also crop this little sticker to your desired shape. You can cut off the excess background from the emoji and you can add it on your image. So that is how you will be able to add stickers on Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.